All right, 2015 Chevy Cruze, the P0299 code. Just picking up where I left off. I mentioned that the wastegate was just flinging around there because a little clip fell off right there. And wastegate actuator that pulls on that, but you have to get this heat shield off. I could have taken these two bolts off and lifted this up and maneuvered it, but with an E30 socket, what is this? E10 socket. These were not rusted and seized in here. I just cracked them loose, and as you can see, I can just take those out the rest of the way with my fingers. Set them up here. We don't lose them. One more left down here. You can. One more down here. Again with my fingers. There we go. Let's take the heat shield off. There's only 3 of them holding it on there. This would be a lot easier if you had 2 hands and you weren't holding a video recording device in the other. There we go. So I guess it just shows this job can be done with 1 hand. There it is. There's the actuator. There is the valve for the wastegate. This is supposed to be up inside there like that. And the clip fell off. Stand by to get the clip. So this will be the same for all these EcoTec Chevy engines. Here's the clip from GM. I'll put the part number down in the description. Guy tells you when you buy it not to open the bag because you can't return it. I just kept it in the bag because it's easy to lose. Obviously had one in stock, so these must rust and fall off a lot because there's a lot of heat here. You can buy these on Amazon for about $6 or something like that. And yeah, so quite often if you have a P0299 code for the underboost, because this valve's not closing inside the exhaust and directing to the turbo, you will get that code. So this is probably the easiest way to fix it. Check for that first. Probably easier with pliers. I've got limited tools here. I'm working out in the cold. This just goes to show you that this is something you can do on your own. That's on all the way. There now. That's it. It now will not have the underboost code. On the Chevy Cruze, this will be the same for any of your EcoBoost engines. What is this? 1.4. Any of the 1.4 Chevy EcoBoost engines, first thing you want to go for if you've got the underboost code. Also, when the check engine light's on, your auto start's not going to work. So if you get any of the kind of weird stuff like that, you'll now be able to use your auto start as well. All right, I'll put this little heat sheet back on. Literally 3. The only thing you have to buy is the special socket. Bought that at Princess Auto. You US folks have a place called Harbor Freight that have that same thing. They're on sale, usually $9.99 for a complete set of sockets. There's the complete set right there. Had the one I needed. Worth the $10. Not running right now, obviously, but check engine light was on. Code P0299. I have a very expensive, well, more expensive scanner at home, but this is my little pocket one. It works all the time. Just to show you that you don't need something expensive to do your repairs. And I'm going to clear this code since I know it's fixed. So I can just quickly... Oh. That's the code. And I'm going to go down to, well, yeah, this one you just click on read codes. That's the code. It's only one in there. If I go back, let's go down to erase codes. Enter. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Codes remaining 0. And light goes off and everybody is happy. This car has what, 80,000 kilometers on it? Not a lot. she will work great once again. There you go. Oh, only light on now is a seatbelt light, but I'm not going anywhere. All right, that's all I can tell you. Peace out. If you had questions, just put them in the comments. But that's how you fix your P0299 underboost code on your 1.4 EcoTec engines. Peace out.